everybody, and welcome to day 8, where we're going to talk about replacing criticism with encouragement for 12 Days to Your Dream Job 2025. In this 12 days set of videos, I'm offering AI tools that are must-haves and that can help you with your work, and people skills that are must-haves and can help you with your work. Today, we're going to talk about encouragement instead of criticism. We live in a very critical world. It's almost considered, feather in somebody's cap that they can say something witty and critical at the same time. But it doesn't help anyone because it demoralizes, causes people to be isolated and feel lonely, and they don't improve because the way people improve is through encouragement. And so encouragement is helping them with something. It's also noticing something that you appreciate about them, and it's pointing out their virtues. And that's the best way to start replacing criticism with encouragement. Because when you're starting to look for things that you can compliment them on that have to do with their character traits, it's really encouraging for everybody and for you. You can say, wow, that is so generous of you. You can say, wow, I really appreciate how cooperative you are in this team. Or thank you for taking initiative. I had no idea what to do when that came up. Those are 3 virtues words that you could use if you had a virtues list. So the way to do that is to Google virtues list and you will come up with something. You can also Google virtues project and they will come up with cards that you can use and an app that you can use to start looking for virtues. This is how I use it when I'm working with coaching or when I'm teaching a group about managerial skills. I say, what virtue could help us with this particular situation? And then I randomly pick a card or I randomly shake my phone that has the app on it, and the virtue comes up. Oh, appreciation. How could we apply appreciation to solving this problem? It puts a whole new positive spin on everything. And you'll find that once people start using the language of virtues, they are more and more encouraging of each other. And the less you point out mistakes and the more you point out what things are working, the more the things that are working grow and the less the mistakes are that happen. So use encouragement as much as you can, and you will see wonderful results from it. If you don't believe me, experiment, try it yourself, and consider using that virtues list to get used to using the language of virtues. I'm sure we all have a very big language of criticism and insults, but that's not helping us to grow anybody or anything at work. So let's practice encouragement and see what good results we can find. So that was day 8, replacing criticism with encouragement. And stay tuned for day 9, where I'm going to talk about an AI tool that has to do with SEO and keyword search. And I think you will like it. So that's going to be day 9's AI topic. See you tomorrow.